is on. Well. Oh, that's cool. Okay. Well. That's cool. Look at that. Osprey.
Wow. Gorgeous seeing that in the sunlight.
Isn't it?
Jenny and hair of gold, as pretty as barley, grew in the fields of my father's farm, ran barefoot and free through the colors of the summer to the banks of the river where I held her in my arms. Cool waters danced, we lay down together, our love bloomed sweet in a soft bed of pine. I picked for her a flower, lily from the water, took her by the hand and asked her to leave. Down at Jenny's river, love flows easy, sure and steady, faithful and kind. Down at Jenny's river, love is alive. Love is alive. After 30 years of love, come back to Jenny's river with my heart full of memories, pockets full of tears. Past the fields of barley to the banks of the water, I can still hear her voice. I know that